On today's Quickie, we're going to do a new product review. This is an item that I found on Amazon, and so far it's been a game changer. Y'all, these are liners for your air fryer. It seems that it doesn't matter if I'm using my bucket air fryer or my stand-up caloric air fryer. Anything I make causes a huge mess. Now, recently I made some wings. And look at the mess inside my caloric air fryer. And if it's something that I have to pull out and flip over, then I've got a huge mess all over my counter as well. So I found these on Amazon and I was curious to see if they worked. The first ones I ordered are round. They look kind of like a giant Reese cup. Now these can either go down inside the bucket of your bucket air fryer, or they can even go on the rack inside your stand-up air fryer. These come in a nice little container with a lid so that I can keep them in the cabinet right next to my air fryer. After I tried the round ones, I decided to order the square ones. Now you can see these have little holes in them. That allows the air to flow through and cook the food properly. The whole idea of this is to catch the grease, catch the crumbs, so in the end, you have less cleanup. So thoroughly read the manufacturer's instructions on how to use these. You always want to keep them away from your heater coil, and you always want to make sure that they have enough food on top of them to keep them in place. So safety first, be sure to read and follow the manufacturer's directions. The first test we're going to do today is with the round ones. We're going to stick them in the bucket style air fryer and we're going to make some potatoes. You'll see that the liner fits down in the bucket very nicely. I'm going to use some spray oil so my potatoes don't stick. And I'm going to line my potatoes right inside the air fryer. Next, I'm going to use a variety of different spices and seasonings and then get started. Once these are done, I'm going to remove them. And here's what we have on our liner. This caught all of the spices, the spray oil, the grease, everything is on that. And I'm just going to throw that away. Look at my air fryer. Look at it. So as you can see, I was able to throw that in the trash, and my air fryer's clean enough I can just put it right back on the shelf. The round one can also be used inside the stand-up type of air fryer. Again, just make sure you have enough food inside here so that when the air starts circulating, this doesn't blow up and get on the coils. Now we've already seen how the round one works, so for this test, we're going to use the square one. I'm going to place a few chicken tenders on this one. This clip illustrates exactly why it's important to have weight on top of your liner. Once the air starts circulating inside your machine, the parchment paper could blow loose and make contact with your heating coil. All right, let's see what we've got. First thing I'm going to notice is that the inside of my air fryer is still clean. Now let's take a look at this. The tenders are cooked perfectly, and look at this paper. All the grease is caught on there. Once again, this goes in the trash, and our air fryer is clean and ready for the next use. And those crumbs didn't get all over my butcher block. This is not any kind of paid endorsement. That's my jam telling you what I thought about this product. It's a time saver and I like it. I'll put a link to these down below, and if you do happen to purchase some, I would love to hear what you think of them down in the comments. Have a great rest of the week. Keep jamming.